Welcome to the M-Series commercial housing with integrated emergency test switch installation video. Before installation, ensure all power to the luminaire is off. For this installation, you will need hole saw, 4 sheet metal screws, drill, screwdriver, measuring tape, conduit fitting, wire cutters, pliers, and for DMF products you will need M-Series commercial emergency housing wired for integrated test switch, M-Series commercial downlight module in alternate construction, and an M-Series trim with an integrated EM test switch. Locate desired fixture position in the ceiling plane. Mark the center position of the fixture on the specified ceiling material before installation. Cut a 4 1/4 inch, 108 mm, opening at the marked position. We recommend using a hole saw to prevent overcutting. Install your ceiling. For installation in T-bar, use a screwdriver or pliers to break off the bottom flange of the bar hanger ends. Note, if installing in hat channel, joist, or stud, refer to the installation instructions and do not complete this step. Locate housing above ceiling tile and adjust the horizontal position of the collar to align with the cutouts. Secure the horizontal position by tightening 2 pre-installed bar hanger screws. Install the bar hanger ends to the T-bar or metal stud using 4 sheet metal screws. Route the building's electrical supply wires through any knockout into the field wiring junction box. For your reference, the field wiring junction box will be labeled Open for field wiring. Splice the electrical wires to the bare wire leads in the junction box, according to wire labels and local regulations. Connect the converter cables to ensure the emergency battery will receive power. Loosen the 2 pre-installed wing screws inside of the collar. Adjust the vertical position of the collar until it is flush with the ceiling. Then secure the collar by tightening the wing screws inside. Pass the 2 black cables on opposite sides of the housing through the collar opening to prepare for module installation. Note, the M-Series commercial family has modules in different heat sink sizes corresponding to their lumen output and function, but installation will remain the same. For downlight module emergency installation, align the trim onto the module and turn the trim clockwise until secure. Note, trim must be securely attached to the module. Mate the orange connector on the trim to the orange connector coming through the housing collar. Connect the black cable from the module to the black cable hanging through the housing collar and secure it by twisting the nut in place. Push the module and trim evenly into the collar until the spring clips engage and the trim is flush with the ceiling. As always, the M-Series is plug and play, backed by our in-house engineering, customer support, and DMF's 5-year warranty. M-Series, our most versatile product offering.